Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to show protected operating system files in Windows 10. Open File Explorer. Click this PC, C drive. Click View tab. Click Option down arrow. Click Change Folder and Search option. Click View tab. Uncheck Hide Protected Operating System Files. Click Yes. Click Apply, OK. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.